Hello and welcome to the video. This is another quick video. This is going to be an unboxing video of the BioShieldUV Air Guardian. BioS18 is the model name. And there's the picture of it. I'm going to take it out in a minute, but the best thing about it is it's made right here in the USA. And one of the reasons I bought this thing was I cleaned out my evaporator coils in my heat pump. I have a heat pump. And downstairs on the evaporator coils, or aka the inside unit, they recommend you cleaning those out once a year. Well, I had never cleaned it out. So I went in, took it apart, which is the whole system, very easy to do. And actually, I've got a video on how I done it step by step. And I put that video here on the screen or in the links showing you what I did to clean it and everything. But on the evaporator coils and on the air ducts, inside the air ducts, there was mold. Now, it wasn't black mold, but it was just regular mold and mildew from over the years where the air flow came in, had moisture, mold started growing. So I cleaned it off real good, got it clean and safe, and got to looking and realized this is what I need. And I'm going to unbox this, show you what it comes with. It just came to me in the mail. I took it out of the box and set it up here. So let's unbox it and get going. Alright, so I've opened it up. Of course, it comes with the screws. It comes with some little felt padding. Comes with their business card. It comes with a little template that you're going to put this up, like if this was the wall or the duct in the air system that I was going to put it in. I would hold that up, and there's supposed to be some screws, and not screws, but a drill bit in here like that to drill these holes, and this is a template for that. Here's the warranty card information. Tells you more information about all the specs on the unit. And again, this is just a quick video showing you what it is, what it's for. I'm going to go over how to install this in another video, and I'll also put that link in the video below. But I just wanted to show you what this is. Here is the little drill bit that cuts the hole, that will cut the hole in the air ducts downstairs. Here's the power adapter. It'll go on just a regular plug-in, just like that right there. I'm guessing this is the bulbs, and this is the unit. Now the bulbs would go on this side. This right here is going to be mounted flat up against the air ducts. The power cable would plug into that, and as these things sit, let me show you how this thing works. It's going to sit like this right here. And there's two of them, but there's that little LED, or not LED, but the ultraviolet bulbs fit in it just like that right there. So as the air passes over these, it's going to kill all the bacteria, germs, viruses, and mold that comes through the air ducts and gets blown into your house. Now these little bulbs here, you can buy those off Amazon as well. They say they last about a year, sometimes a little bit longer, but they say to replace them once a year. But that's basically what it does. It keeps your air clean. I read the reviews on it. They're supposed to be, it has really good reviews. It has a little indicator light right here. It shows where it's on, or left is on, the right bulb is on. And when they go out, they'll probably show it. I have to look at the instructions, but it'll either be out, probably be out, as long as that's lit up. Now my plan is, when I plug this up, I don't have a plug-in near my outlet, or near my my air duct return downstairs. So what I'm going to do, if you plug this in, plug that in there, and plug this in the outlet, this is going to stay on 24/7. And since I don't, which is better, it's really good to have that, because if it's on 24/7, it's going to be killing keeping the stuff from growing on the condenser coils, which this is going to be placed right above, because the air is going to be going this way. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to snip this off right here, and I'm going to show you how to probe the board at the condenser, that's not the condenser unit, but the evaporator coils. And I'm going to splice this wire and plug it into the board. And my goal is to only have this thing to come on when there's power on that board, which means there's air actually flowing through the system. If that's not possible, I'll just wire this in and make it stay on all the time. But like I said, I don't have an outlet, so I'm going to wire it directly into the heating and air system control board that's at the evaporator coils. And again, like I said, my goal is to have it where when the unit kicks on, when the air kicks on or the heat kicks on, boom, these kick on. When it goes out, boom, the lights go out. That's my goal. If I can't do that, I'm just going to wire this up like it stays on all the time, and show you how to do that too. And again, that's going to be in a video. I'm going to place the video down in the comments. I'm also going to appear on the screen somewhere. There should be little bubbles popping up asking you to click to watch that video. And but that's what this is. Now there's all kinds of different kinds. There's several different models that do this, but they basically do the same thing. And again, the reason I got this one was because, number one, it was made in the USA, and their contact number is listed directly on the box. You can see right there, lifetime warranty, got their website. And here's some condenser coils, or not condenser, some evaporator coils that I was talking about what they look like before. And that's after you clean. This thing here doesn't clean them like that. It just keeps them from getting dirty with mold. There's still going to be dirt and grime get on it. But anyway, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. That way it'll help me out, help me, get more traffic to this channel, because I plan on putting lots and lots of useful videos on this channel. So hit that thumbs up, like, and if you have any questions about this, just go to Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below where you can actually click this link and buy this unit here. That way you'll have the same thing I do, or you can click it and go there and read more about it. But again, this is ultraviolet radiation. It's not harmful to you, but if you look at it, or it probably could. Just read up on it. And but that's the unboxing video of this. And search my channel, click on the link in the description of this video. I'll show you what I did, how I did clean my evaporator coils. The main reason I bought this. Plus, I'll have a link directly to this. So we'll talk with you later. Thanks.